Hello, buddies. Welcome to it's it's a good day and comfortable and amazing. That's all days on work. Now it's time to relaxing, just taking off socks. It's, it's all day socks remove. Check out the relaxing sound moves your under in my feet. Is that okay for you or not? After a long time, it's a socks removing video because I'm just little bit busy for some work. Is the reason I don't make video this type of socks removing. This I last upload a feet massage. It's amazing. I think you really enjoy it. But don't people don't watch full video. I think you watch full it. If when my watch time is completed, then I make amazing videos for you. It's on your demand that you tell me and I will make video on your demand. Okay, now it's time to like, share, subscribe. And I'm saying all they are good, but this time I am feeling more relaxing, just feel in heaven. Now just take off socks and flex some feet. Relaxing my toes and it's moving. Check the movements of my toes. It's feeling very relaxing and it's freedom. I feel very relaxing and free. Oh, just a moment. I just decided to take off other socks and let's remove it. It's amazing. Now the feet are free. Just check this moment, the feet toes moment. It's very relaxing and amazing. All day relax. After taking off socks, it's a very relaxing experience. That's I feel very comfortable when I take off my socks. Then you tell me your experience in comments, how you're feeling when you take off your all day wearing socks. It's very relaxing or not for you, but this time it's very relaxing for me. I am just very relaxing. You see the movement of toes, it's very feeling relaxing and freedom. Okay, it's time to end our video. Now, just again, I requested that subscribe. That's already I say like, share, subscribe, and comment this, and suggest ideas if you have any feed related any idea. Then you can discuss on me on Instagram or at the comments. I will answer you. Okay, buddies. Take care of yourself.